Today we're going to be making some keto-friendly bar food. We're going to start off with a keto-friendly air fryer pizza, and then we're going to make some mozzarella sticks, but they both have a special twist. And this video is sponsored by Thrive Market, but more about them later. Sarah and I have been keto since January of 2019, and we've lost a combined total of 160 pounds. And I know how it feels to look online and see all these food trends and think, well, I'm keto, I can't have any of that. But Sarah and I decided a long time ago that we were gonna look at these recipes and go, how could we make that keto? And so that's what we do in these videos. We like to call ourselves the Keto Twins Test Kitchen because we just love trying and experimenting on recipes for all of you. So if you guys see any recipes that you want us to try, tag us below at Keto Twins Official on Instagram or Keto Twins on TikTok, or subscribe because we really want to hit 250,000 subscribers. Subscribing is free. It's just clicking a button, but it really does support our channel. So the first trend that we decided to try that kind of had the bar food type of theme was this one called the Pizza Toasty. It's also known as a pizza lava toast. Sarah and I have made so many different types of keto-friendly pizzas on our channel. We've made crusts out of meat, we've made crusts out of egg whites, and this one, it seems so simple that we just had to try it. This one that we're gonna be replicating is by @Juicy Recipes. We're gonna be leaving a link to this video in the description below if you wanna check it out. But basically, all you're gonna be needing is some keto-friendly bread of your choice, pepperoni, mozzarella. She puts ham in there, which is kind of an oddball thing for me, but we thought, hey, why not try it? And you will be needing some kind of tomato sauce. We like Rao's. We buy ours from Thrive Market, who happens to be the sponsor of this video. Thrive Market is a membership-based online grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. Sarah and I have been ordering from Thrive Market for a year now, and we absolutely love clicking ketogenic, seeing everything they have to offer, and filling up our cart. We know we're gonna save so much money. On our most recent order, we saved over $21. We love getting our keto staples from Thrive Market, like Rao's sauces and almond flour. We also get our allulose from Thrive Market, and we always pick out some special treats for ourselves, like these Lily's sweetened chocolate bars and this truff mayo, which is truffle mayo. It's amazing. We know that so many of you guys don't live near a grocery store that sells keto-friendly products, but Thrive Market does, and your orders over $49 are going to ship for free. And as you're scrolling through their website, make sure to look for their Thrive Cash badge, which is gonna get you money back every time you purchase one of those products. Join Thrive Market today using our link, thrivemarket.com/ketotwins, to get 30% off your first order and a gift of up to $60. Thanks to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the pizza toasties. What are you doing? I have a pimple today, and tried to cancel filming, but Sarah said, no, the show must go on, pimple or no pimple. It adds character. I'm gonna take a piece of pepperoni and just stick it on there. So I'm excited to try this because it looks really simple, and my husband has actually been talking about something similar to this for a long time. My husband is Polish, and he said that a Polish, not delicacy, but like something Polish people make a lot, kind of pizza breads. Zapiekanka? Is that what it is? Zapiekanka. Shakaka. Anyway, Ace Ventura. It's gonna go black and white, and it's just gonna show us arguing about this for 10 minutes. Pronunciation, here we go.
Zapiekanka.
Zapiekanka. Okay, you're right, for once. A Polish fast food, not a delicacy, duh, consisting of a baguette with mushrooms, cheese, and ketchup. So we thought, why not try it? So you can use whatever kind of keto-friendly bread that you want. We're gonna be trying out this Hero seeded bread. We've never tried this brand before. Sarah and I live a technically keto lifestyle where we incorporate things like this from time to time because it makes us happy. And 4 years later, that's why we can live this lifestyle. But it's very simple to put together. So let's do that. And then we have our air fryer ready, our new air fryer that our mom bought us because the other one that we stole from my mom, it really was bad. So I'm just gonna put a tablespoon on each.
A little dry on that one.
Okay, I don't like a lot of pizza sauce. Okay, and then she loads it up with ham, which is not what I would do, but I'm gonna try it. Why not? All right.
No, didn't she put cheese inside too?
No.
Yes, she did.
No, I was wrong. She did put cheese on the inside. Everyone's wrong once in their life.
For Emily, it's more than what? Once a week.
Oh. See, that's not that bad even once a week. All right, whatever. I'm gonna close it.
No, wrong way. Yeah.
Scary.
Put some
This
pepperoni
is a
in.
really simple recipe, and I've already messed up several times. Subscribe out of pity. She puts cheese on the top and then she cooks it, but we're gonna put some pepperoni because it's a pizza toasty. It's gotta look like a pizza.
Don't break your tooth off.
Again?
We're still filming if that happens.
It's just a day to eat some kind of keto junk food.
Watch some Vanderpump Rules, you know what I mean? Gotta catch up for the new season.
Maybe our audience doesn't watch Vanderpump.
If you watch Vanderpump, call Emily a poo-poo head. No, I'm just kidding.
One of you guys called me a worm with a mustache. I didn't take it offensively because I knew that you were talking about Vanderpump Rules. I'm gonna put it in 375 for 7 minutes. Unveiling. Oh, look it, we lost some pepperoni. They flew off. Isn't that crazy?
Looks good though.
Yeah, it does look good.
The next recipe that we're going to be testing comes from TikTok as well. This one is actually already a keto-friendly recipe. It's by Lori Gold on TikTok. It's for a buffalo chicken mozzarella stick. So all you have to do is cut up the mozzarella sticks in half, and you're going to fold it and make kind of like an egg roll with your chicken breast as the wrapper. Then you're going to take your mozzarella stick that's wrapped in chicken breast and you're going to put it into a mixture of buffalo sauce and egg whites. And then you're going to take that and you're going to dip it into your pork rinds that have been seasoned with some garlic. We always season our pork rinds with garlic because we feel like it hides the flavor really well. And then we're going to place our mozzarella sticks in the air fryer at 350 degrees for 8 minutes.
Is it pizza or is it toast? It's pizza toast. Anyway, all right, let's give it a go.
I guess my one critique, if I had one, would be that the bread on the bottom is soggy. And that's because we couldn't like flip it, really, because of all the toppings that are on here. I don't know if there's any way to really avoid that.
It's really tasty though.
The bread on the top is nice and crispy.
Not sure I'm the biggest fan of the sliced ham.
Yeah, it could just be a grilled cheese on the inside too. That would be good.
You know, it's just a starting point to all the things that you could do with this recipe. Sarah is right though. The bottom of the pizza toasty is a little soggy. Maybe spraying it with some avocado oil might help that crisp up and keep that crispiness throughout the whole toasty. But overall, it's a really easy snack, and you know, Sarah and I are always happy to experiment on new pizza recipes that we could make low carb. So I'm happy with this recipe. It smells so much like chicken wings that I almost think that they are chicken wings. It's because of the Frank's Red Hot, obviously. They smell awesome.
So here I just served it alongside some ranch, jalapeno lighthouse ranch, one of my favorites. And I just put a little bit of buffalo sauce on top because I think that's what the creator did in her recipe. Just quick note, we pulled it out after 8 minutes and we noticed it just wasn't frying the way that we normally like our pork rinds to be fried on the top. So we did go ahead and spray it with some avocado oil and put it back in for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. And that really did brown up the top like how we like. I would rather have a crispy outside and have a little bit of a melty cheese than have it like soggy and not cooked.
Yeah.
So,
Wow, it tastes like a
chicken wing.
It's like if a chicken wing had a mozzarella stick in it.
Yeah.
I really like it. This would be a great game day snack. Not like we watch sports, but you know, if you watch Vanderpump and you have snacks, you know what I mean? Who says you can't have snacks during your yearly Twilight marathon?
Emily and Twilight, I don't get it. I'm a Vampire Diaries girl myself. We have tried air frying burrata before and it kind of just went into a ball and then it liquefied and collapsed. So the chicken actually helps keep the cheese in a little bit better because I feel like otherwise it might just ooze out and go all over the place.
I've heard that you can put parchment, like a parchment air fryer thing at the bottom. That might help it to maintain its like shape. I don't know.
Okay.
But I've heard of that. Like they sell like the round parchment little baskets.
Like a liner?
Yeah. That way you don't have to clean it. And maybe when you're melting cheese and things like that in the air fryer, it's best to have something so it doesn't like melt through the grate.
I also think maybe freezing it a little bit before you put it in the air fryer might help keep the cheese a little bit cooler on the inside and stop it from oozing out. But overall, I would say we lost about 20% of the cheese and it's still really delicious and I'm loving this hack.
And Sarah did mention earlier that if you don't eat pork or you don't like pork rinds, if you don't like them because of the taste, we implore you to try it with a lot of garlic powder in it. We really don't taste the pork rinds at all when we add tons of seasoning into it, but you can use lupin flakes. We've ground them down a bit in the food processor and used them as a breading and it turned out really well. So try lupin flakes if you're really opposed to using pork rinds. And don't forget to go to thrivemarket.com/ketotwins to get 30% off your first order plus a free gift of up to $60. And if you want to see us blow up cheese in the air fryer, it still tasted good, I'm not going to lie. You can click right here and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.